First of all, this is not a tutorial, okay? Let's be clear. My friend Mercedes got me the Art of Air makeup machine, and I haven't used it in a while. If you want to see the video where I did the whole review on it, you can go back and check out that video. But this video, I'm just playing with it. So I basically have 4 different shades. That first shade you see me swiping is caramel. The second shade is light cocoa. The third shade is medium cocoa. And the fourth shade is ebony. I might have to do some mixing to get the perfect shade match, but we'll see. I'm gonna mix the medium cocoa and ebony. Yeah, I've already done my brows, so hopefully I don't airbrush over my eyebrows. Yeah, I'm gonna put on my concealer after I prime, and they do give you a primer in here. It is the Art of Airbrush primer, so we're gonna try this out and see what happens. So, honey, honey, I can see the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4 is what it says to use. Let's cut around. Rev it up. 6 to 8 inches. Let me make sure I'm staying 6 to 8. Did I wipe off what I had on my face? It don't look like I did, but oh well. Okay, steady hand. Pull back. And I spray it all in one spot. Baby, that's all gone. And you can't feel it, so you know where it's going because your face feels wet. I don't know if you can see my face looks a little more damp. Can you tell? I don't know. I'm going to add a couple of drops of the ebony. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Don't judge me. I don't judge you. Don't judge me. And this is the medium cocoa. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Half. I hope that's a good blend. If I remember correctly, I believe it's put my hand over this and then back bubble. So I can mix them together. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me let you guys see. Can you guys see that? You see it bubbling? So if I hold my hand here, yeah, it does that little back bubble thing. I want y'all to, wait, I'm gonna do this side. So I want y'all to look at my mole right here and tell me if I actually cover it up. As I was reading, it says the key to this is to keep it moving. Don't stay in the same spot, right? And keep it 6 to 12 inches away from your face. So I did cover it up. Now I just got to make sure it's the right shade match. I'm looking like I was looking before, and I mixed this together. I forgot to put on the doggone concealer. How y'all let me forget to put on a concealer? I feel like the shade is too dang on dark. So I'm gonna go clean off the face and then I'll come back. My skincare was popping, like all my moisturizer was on. It's real pretty though. I just gotta get the right shade, that's all. All right, yeah, okay. I came back with my rag because I wanted to show y'all just how easy this was to come off. Like, it came off like nothing. Look, watch. That's it. No makeup remover. This is nothing but water. I was like, no, I gotta show them this because, bro, if you're talking about being able to do makeup with an airbrush machine and then to remove it with just water, that's a game changer. You saving time on both ends, not just the front end of it. So I'm gonna put my moisturizer back on and then I'll be right back. Woo, the apple was good. I was hungry. So we're gonna put on our concealer now. There. I did go ahead and prime my face again, but I primed it with regular primer. First thing I'm gonna do is add some more of the medium cocoa to this little dauber because I felt that it was too dark for me. That's just my opinion. Now we really gonna see if some coverage come because it has to cover up this concealer, baby. Remember the lighter shades I put on my face right here? I mean, I could have used them as concealer too through the airbrush machine, but who wants to do that? Not me. And we're off. Oh, wait. Here I go again. Lordy be. I'm gonna need y'all to be a little bit more interactive and let me know that I'm forgetting steps, okay? Because I need to set this eye. That's on me. I'm telling myself, stay focused. Stay focused. I think I'm just so excited to actually like airbrush. You know, I'm like, I want to see what to do. I want to see what to do. And yeah, No, because I really high key want this to come out right. Like I want it to look good when I get done. So all aboard the airbrush train. It's time to get it popping. Okay. I'm ready now. Now let's pull the trigger here. Ooh. And I see it. I always get so excited about that. So excited. Ooh, my eyes starting to leak. Don't do it. Don't do it. Reconsider. Read some literature on the subject. Some people might know where that comes from. Some people might not. What y'all think of that color match thus far? I went up to the eye on this one, like up here on that one, and then I got down there. I covered up that mole up there on my forehead. Y'all saw that? Let's change the game with this airbrush makeup. Now all I gotta do is work on getting my color correct, because I'm still dark in the mug. So here are the things we gonna look at, right? I want you to look at the skin. Just like with the Fenty, the skin was still giving skin. So that's one thing I do like about it. Put the concealer on it, cover the concealer with the powder with no problem to me. Can you see a problem? Can you? Can you? You see a problem? I don't know, because I don't. But if you do, let me know. Honestly, I'm gonna wipe it off and start over again. Like, why not? Third time's a charm. It may not look bad on camera. However, in person, I can see the difference. Like I can see it's a little bit darker than what I prefer. Because remember, makeup shades and all that good stuff is your preference. I don't prefer dark shades of foundation. All right, enough of that. Let me go take my rag, wipe this off, and then we'll start over again. If y'all still here, if y'all still want to see the outcome, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Join the Wine Down with Lee family, because we might start being an airbrush community, baby. I don't know. Let me get this together and we'll cover off yet again. Let's see. This time it is all medium and then one dot of the ebony. So I hope this works. If not, then I don't know. We'll try something else. Uh-oh, I got a hot spot, which is when I spray in this area too much. I have been doing good all that time, bro. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. What y'all think? Leave me a comment below. Would y'all ever try airbrush? I mean, the system, I think it runs about $100. I think I mentioned it on my last video. So, and it comes with 4 shades depending on your colors. It comes with primer, it comes with brush cleaner, it comes with blush, it comes with highlight, and it comes with
a shimmer. Yeah, pearl shimmer. So if you want to shimmer to the gods, you can do that.
And on this last one, I used just 1 drop, but it still's giving me this darker shade. So I wonder if I went up a shade. I'm gonna try it. I'll be back for the 4th time. 4th time around. I can't tell you what I mixed together because I mixed it together and I placed it on the back of my hand. So yeah, we're gonna go from there. I'm tired of washing my face. What y'all think of this color match? And what's so sad is I don't know what I mixed together, baby. I was just dropping drops, and I was hoping that I would just keep track so I would have, you know, a recipe for a match. You go, girl. Look at me trying to hit my eyes, girl. All right, that's everything. It's all gone. What y'all think? Let me turn this off so y'all can hear me. This has probably been the best match so far. You could tell I had the light color, and I guess it was at the end, and baby, it just splattered on my face. All I can tell y'all is blend it together until you get your shade, because as you can see, it took me 4 times, and I think now is a hit. Like, it's a little different from the neck, but it's not like it was before. Now let me look. The real test is to go outside, see what it looked like outside. All right, y'all, this is me outside facing the sun, and it is giving me so much light. Oh, it's giving me all of the light. It is blessing me right now with a whole bunch of vitamin D. But yeah, I think that my shade that I've created for it was good. You can see my concealer right there, but that's fine, just to give me a little definition in the cheeks. All right, y'all, I think that's enough. We'll go back inside. You get it. Not gonna bore you with the details. We'll just hit you with the final look. This is what everything is looking like right now, and I just showed you guys the clip of me outside in the sun and how it looks when I go outside, which it actually looks good. I'm not gonna lie. I actually low-key really like the way that it looks. I'm gonna wear it for a while, and then I'll come back on and kind of show you what it looks like. I'll give you an update. Hopefully I can get a little bit better so that I can do my eyes and the rest of my face with just the airbrush machine, because it was just so quick. But if you have any questions in between now and when I check back in, drop me a comment below, and yeah, I'll answer your questions as they may pop up. Just to give you a point of reference of how long I've had my makeup on, you see I took this picture today at 4:32. Currently it is 10:49. So I've had my makeup on for about 6 hours now. Now most of the time I will oil up on my T-zone, so if you're a combination person, this is probably what your makeup will look like. And I did not dab on purpose. All I did was leave my makeup on while I was sitting here editing my video. I did not go back outside. I did not go anywhere. This is under an air-conditioned condition, inside, contained area. So just for point of reference, the only time that I went out into the sun was when you saw on the video clip that I inserted in here. Okay, I'm tired. It's past my bedtime, but I wanted to make sure I gave you guys a good non-review, but how the makeup held up. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the airbrush machine, I would say try it, because everyone is different and everyone's process is different. It was fun, and it is fun, and if you can get the hang of it, it will save you a whole lot of time, especially if you get up very early in the morning. You can actually still get your makeup done, all of it. I'm gonna close this video out. It's been long enough. I hope you guys have stayed to see the end. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. You know, we're here, we're family, and I would appreciate it. And for my return subscribers, those who watch my videos faithfully, thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't make it without you. All right, and yeah, y'all have a good night. I'm sorry, I'm so tired, y'all, but I'm it's past my bedtime. Bye.